My dear students of BTech second year, I am Dr. Rohin Parsai, Associate Professor of Mathematics in Engineering Science Humanity Department at Chamini Devi Group of Institution Indore. I wish to teach you through lecture 1, concept of numerical differentiation with example. It is the unit 2 of mathematics 3. So first of all, we understand what do you mean by numerical differentiation. In numerical analysis, numerical differentiation describes algorithms for estimating the derivative of a mathematical function or a function subroutine using values of the function and perhaps other knowledge about the function. That is, numerical differentiation is the process of calculating the derivative of a function at some particular values of the independent variable by means of a set of given values of that function. So first we will see the formula of finding the value of the derivative. Then we come to the example. The general method of numerical differentiation of a function consists in obtaining an explicit analytical relation y equal to fx with the help of an interpolation formula, and then we differentiate y with respect to independent variable x as many times as required. If you need first derivative, you differentiate first time, one time, and if you require two derivative, you differentiate two times, and so let the function y equal to fx be obtained by Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula as we discussed in unit 1 of this course as mathematics 3. In the previous video lectures, we may say that. So this is the Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula: y equal to y0 plus u delta of y0 u into u minus 1 factorial 2 del square of y0 plus u into u minus 1 u minus 2 1 factorial 3 delta q of y0 plus dot dot dot, call it by 1, where we know that u equal to x minus x0 upon h. Now let we find first the differentiation with respect to u, that is dy by du. So differentiate this whole equation with respect to u. You will get first term is constant derivative 0, so the differentiation of u with respect to u is 1 into delta of y0. Then you multiply inside this bracket and you differentiate, you will get u square is 2 square 2u minus u का differentiation 1 upon factorial 2 as a delta 2 of y0. Similarly, you can differentiate this function by multiplying this. You will get this derivative, this term, and similarly this term, and so on. Now you can find the value of du by dx. Differentiate this with respect to x. So derivative is du by dx equal to x का 1 हो जाएगा माइनस ऑफ 0 इज इसका 0 हो जाएगा, 0 कांस्टेंट है तो 0 हो जाएगा इस टर्म का डिफरेंशिएशन एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज एज इट इज. सो यू गेट du by dx is 1 by h. Now therefore with the help of this you can find the value of first derivative dy by dx as parametrically dy by du into du by dx. So just substituting the value of dy by du and into du by dx, you will get this formula of first derivative. Similarly, you can obtain the formula of second derivative when you differentiate to second time with respect to x. The value is delta 2u of del by x square equal to 1 by h square delta 2u of delta 2 of y0 plus u into minus 1 delta cube of y0, and so on. The 6u square minus 18u plus 11 upon 12 into delta 4 of y0, and so on. You can continue this process. Similarly, the derivative of other higher orders we may obtain. Let we come to an example on this method here. A rod is rotating in a plane about one of its end. If the following table gives the angle theta radians through which the rod has turned for different values of time t second, find its angular velocity and angular acceleration. So angular velocity is point by first derivative, while acceleration is calculated by second derivative at time t equal to 0.7 second. For this, this is your given table, given data. So first of all, you will prepare the difference tables. So by writing first the value of independent variable is time t and dependent variable is radian theta. So and then for finding the first difference, find the difference of 0.12 minus 0.0 is this, then 0.48 minus 0.12 is 0.36, 1.10 minus 0.48, the answer is 0.62, and 2.0 minus 1.10 is, so the value is 0.90, then 3.20 minus 2.0 is 1.20, and then you will continue for second times by finding the difference of this. 0.36 minus 0.12 is 0.24, then 0.62, 0.36 is 0.26, then difference of 0.90 minus 0.62 is 0.28. as we have tell you in the first unit, the process of constructing difference tables. Then 1.20 minus 0.90, the difference is 0.30, and you may continue as long as you not get the single difference. So this minus this 0, this minus this 0, then again this difference you will get 0. So now as many difference are exist, accordingly you will find in formula as the value of angular velocity here. So 1 by h equal to d3 delta theta 0 plus twice u minus 1 upon factorial 2 delta 2 of theta 0, 3 square minus 6u plus 2 upon factorial 3 delta cube of theta 0 plus this value you are getting 1, where u equal to t minus t0 upon h, x की जगह t हो जाएगा, इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल t है, तो t minus t0 की वैल्यू 0.0 है अपॉन कॉमन डिफरेंस 0.2 का है, so this comes to 5t. Now on putting t equal to given to you 0.7, so that's why you will get from this value of u is 3.5 by multiplying by this. Therefore the angular velocity is obtained by putting this value in this formula. Number 1 is 4.49 radian per second. Now for finding the angular acceleration, you have the formula of second derivatives. You are just substituting in the formula of second derivatives. So this substitution 1 by h into 0 of 2 into upon 2 delta 2 of theta 0 6u minus 6 upon factorial 3 delta q of theta 0 and into du by dt. So du by dt की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी हमें मालूम है 1 by h होती है, इसमें h आ रहा है तो 1 upon h स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, डेल्टा 2 थीटा 0 प्लस u minus 1 into delta cube of theta 0. Just substituting from above this value at time t equal to 7 second, so you will get 3.5. Therefore the angular acceleration is obtained by substituting this value in the previous formula is 7.25 radian per second square. Now we may have the alternate method of finding the derivative here. This is called the operator methods. So let we see and then we repeat this question once again to solve by these alternate methods. In particular case, when the derivatives are required at one of the tabulated points, say x0, y0, x1, y1 up to xn, yn, and not at the intermediate point, the following formula may be used with advantages. So if d denotes the differential operators, जिसको अपन ddx बोलते हैं, डेल्टा इज द डिफरेंस ऑपरेटर जिसको फॉरवर्ड डिफरेंस ऑपरेटर बोलते हैं, जिसकी वैल्यू होती है एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस एच माइनस एफ ऑफ एक्स. देन देयर होल्ड्स द ऑपरेशनल रिलेशंस एच डी इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ 1 प्लस डेल्टा डी. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस फॉर्मूला हियर, 1 बाई एच इधर आ जाएगा, लॉग ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्स का एक्सपेंशन होता है एक्स माइनस 1 बाई 2 ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 ऑफ एक्स क्यूब. लाइक दिस you are getting, this is the formula of the derivative here, where h is the interval between any two successive value of x at which the values of y are prescribed. Now similarly you have the formula of second derivatives. This you have to be remember, delta 2 minus delta cube plus 11 upon 12 delta 4 minus 5 by 6 delta 5 dot dot dot. Let we come to an example. So this method is well explained by example, by the following example. Example is a slide in a machine moves along a fixed straight rod. Its distance x centimeter along the rod are given in the following table for various values of time t second. find the velocity and acceleration at time t equal to 0.3 second. So first of all, again you have to construct the difference tables like to previous examples. First you are having the column of independent variables, second column of dependent variables, as here dependent variable x and time t is independent. So then this minus this difference, 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 and then again you are continuing in the same way as long as you will not get a single difference. After finding this, then you write the formula of the first derivative as the velocity dx by dt equal to d of x एट टाइम 0.3 पे आपको निकालना है. तो ये वैल्यू आप लोग यहाँ पर वेयर h इक्वल टू 0.1 है, सो इसलिए हम यहाँ पर रख सकते हैं d ऑफ x3 इक्वल टू 1/0.1 डेल्टा ऑफ x क्यूब माइनस 1/2 ऑफ डेल्टा 2 ऑफ x3 प्लस 1/3 ऑफ डेल्टा क्यूब ऑफ x3. सो डॉट डॉट, सो 10 इसका सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये मिलेगा डेल्टा ऑफ x क्यूब माइनस 1/2 ऑफ डेल्टा 2 ऑफ x3 डेल्टा क्यूब. ये सारे डिफरेंस जीरो हो गए हैं. इसमें आप लोग ये सब वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो आपको टेबल से वैल्यू रखेंगे तो आपको ये वैल्यू मिलेगी 127 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. सिंस द अदर डिफरेंसेस आर नॉट अवेलेबल इन द टेबल्स, इसलिए बाकी टर्म जीरो रही है, केवल ये वैल्यू से आपको मिल जाएगी. नाउ सिमिलरली यू कैन ऑब्टेन द एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशंस व्हेन टाइम t इक्वल टू 0.3. इसके लिए हमारे पास सेकंड डेरिवेटिव का ये फार्मूला होता है, इसमें x3 से ऑपरेट कर देंगे और फिर आप लोग वैल्यू रख देंगे तो आपका थर्ड डेरिवेटिव ये आगे की वैल्यू सब जीरो हो रही है. सो ओनली वैल्यू आपको डेल्टा 2 ऑफ x3 की वैल्यू रिक्वायर्ड होगी जो कि आप टेबल से रख देंगे. तो ये आपका आंसर आएगा 1260 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.